Hey there everyone, I got a couple of new toys given to me. This is a Cooper engine, 4-cycle, or they say 4-cycle, it's 4-stroke. Little slant Cooper engine made in Australia, copy of a Yank thing. Anyway, so I got given that hasn't gone in 10 years. It's an old BP fuel pump, so I'll get that one going later. But I also got given this 1926 Jawa motorcycle engine. Apparently it used to drive a saw bench, and the bloke I got it from decided to put a generator on it, so it's got something on it. But it's got no regulator, so it's a pretty useless thing, so it blows up. Blows a lot of glopes like he did when he showed me pretty quick. Because he had spike up to whatever speed the engine's going with no regulator. Nonetheless, so I'll see if she wants to fire up for us. Spark plug back on. No, apparently not. Now I'll put the camera down there. There she is. It sounds much nicer with the exhaust off, but way louder, so I'm not going to run it because it's about 7 o'clock at night. It's a bit dark to do that, I think. So with the exhaust off, it's nice and quiet. Or muffler, I should say. Yeah, it's got a change-driven magneto. I don't know if that's original. I thought they would have had a flywheel magneto, so I reckon that's failed and they put that on there afterwards. It's a nice little machine to have. They're going to find room in there for it. Oh, as you can see a new workbench going out of the back corner there. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. I think we'll shut him down before neighbours complain too much. Turn the fuel off. Yeah, nice little machine, isn't it? Be good once I put it on wheels and a bit more better trolley. I think I'll piss the bloody generator off it and put a water pump, little water pump I got on it. I think they look a bit better. So yeah, but look good once it's got. I might keep those handles there for it. Yeah, that'd work. Keep those normal handles there. Be able to lift it up and cart around on that. And a set of wheels over there. Yeah, that'll work. Anyway, that's nothing for you to worry about. And see you later.